Hi everybody, it's JNC. It's JNC here, and today is episode 9 of the summer 2024 Carolympics. Funniest intro yet.
Yeah.
Okay, so
there's been a few like that. Anyways, we are here, episode 9.
Two more episodes left.
Huge mega round.
This episode's gonna be a good one. So, Red Police, just a quick mention, is up by 27. So if he, by the end of this episode, if he is winning by 26 or more, he will claim the dub. We have never had it where a car wins before the last episode.
Yeah. So he could be the first.
Yes.
So it's very simple today. We have 4 groups of 4, and then the top 2 go to the winners, bottom 2 to the losers.
Simple
Like that. And then here are our points.
So here's the points after episode 8. Really just here's the elimination line and podium line now.
Yeah.
So
So everybody from Tiger and to Gator, they are.
we showed this last episode.
They're still going for that
Yes.
podium spot. Gator is like the last possible for podium.
Yes. Unlikely though.
These top 6 are going for first place still.
They can still
Hook
win.
and Dart will probably get knocked out today if they don't do good, since they're at
Yes.
the same amount of points.
Yeah. Electro, he's in 10th. He's still possible for the podium, but if he doesn't make it, that'll be his first time in Carolympics off the podium.
Yeah.
And
then
Dragster obviously making his way all the way up. He's gotten 62 points.
Actually, a quick fun fact here is that I actually went back and analyzed 2019 and 2023
Yes,
Carolympics, and I noticed that whoever got last place in the first episode finished 4th overall in Carolympic standings. Cobra got last in episode 1 of 2019 Carolympics, ended in 4th. Zoomer got last year, ended in 4th. And
could have gotten 3rd.
Dragster ended last in the first episode.
He's in 4th.
He's in 4th.
So if he keeps his streak up, he probably won't finish in 4th. He'll finish higher. But that's just something to note because he is in 4th right now. He's gotten 62 points in the last 3 episodes. So there you go. Next episode is our final power rankings.
Yeah, here's our power rankings. Red Police staying at top, obviously. Dragster up into 2nd.
Yeah.
That's insane.
That's insane.
And then just a bunch of movement throughout the middle. Zoomer going down a little bit after last time. Electro falling down to 11th, his lowest ever power ranking.
Not looking good for him.
Not looking great for him. He's already out of contention for the lead.
Yeah. So
yeah.
with that, let's get on to the video. All right, first group we have Aqua, Delivery, Sharky, and Vampire.
Here we go.
Really, the only car of note in this group is Aqua.
Yeah.
He's currently in 3rd.
Currently in 3rd.
3.
Start him at the line.
Go.
Oh, hits the wood a little bit.
Boards are forward.
He hits the board a little bit. We'll see how Delivery does. Oh, passes out
further. Flips over, but just kind of finishes his skin there. Next we got Sharky, the last place car. Oh, really good.
Oh, wow. He's still rolling. And Aqua's reign of terror is over. I think that might be it for him.
And then last car in this first group is Vampire. A straight run.
Whoa.
Oh. So Vampire gets 2nd. He will be, along with Sharky, moving on to the winners 8. And Delivery and Aqua falling to the losers 8. So gives an opportunity for Dragster to make it into 3rd. Okay, so here we are. Winners 2, Sharky, and Vampire. Losers 2, Aqua and Delivery.
They're flipped over just so they don't roll off.
You can still tell who they are.
Yeah.
Next, we got a really nice group here.
Look at this.
Hook, Electro, Liftoff, and Red Police. Randomly drawn. And
Look at that frame right there.
I know.
Just sheer from the side, too. That is an amazing frame.
Yeah. Just the colors. Somehow it always looks so good because like our best cars are all like different colors, and it makes it look so vibrant when they're together.
Here we go.
All right, Hook
starting
going
off
first.
with Hook.
Somehow Hook, he is still in 5th. I think he's just he's won 2 episodes.
He hasn't even been doing really good. It's just at his best he's been able to do good. I don't think he's made the podium without winning.
Yeah.
So
3 cars have won 2 episodes. Hook, Red Police, and Dragster. So here we go. Hook is one of them. Go!
Ooh. Kind of similar to Aqua's run last time.
Electro.
Oh.
Kind of gets a lucky roll. He's going all the way to that crack there.
Right under the crack, kind of in the middle.
Lift off, then on a bit of an uphill streak. He got second last episode.
Can he continue that?
Straight down the middle.
Oh.
Lands right by Electro.
Yeah, that's going to be really hard to figure out.
And Red Police trying to capture the CAROLYMPICS victory.
Oh.
Yeah, we knew that was coming.
We knew that was coming. So it looks like to me that it's going to be Electro
I think so too.
and Red
Yes.
Police moving out of this group. Lift off, barely missing out on the winner's bracket. And then along with Hook, who will be going to the loser's bracket.
Yes.
So big group here. Sheriff needs to make the winner's
He
bracket.
does. If Sheriff doesn't make the winner's bracket, there is a good chance Red Police in the winner's bracket currently could win it.
Yeah, even if Sheriff does amazing this episode, Red Police could just do just enough to keep his lead really high.
All right, and Sheriff is coming up first.
Oh, no!
Nails the board.
Uh-oh.
That might be it, folks. We might have a CAROLYMPICS champion after this episode. Gator.
Oh!
Oh.
He's ahead of Gator.
If Sheriff wasn't in the way, that was going to be a surprisingly good run for Gator.
I don't think he's far enough ahead.
Yeah, I mean, maybe Dart can hit him, but let's see. Dart.
Oh, no way! He might actually make it.
He went under the board. I think Dart and Gator are the only two cars that can actually go under the board.
What am I watching?
I don't know.
How do you...
We still got one.
What is wrong with this group?
Comes down to fire. And
Yeah.
he goes way ahead, which Sheriff is fine with that. Sheriff, after an awful first run, somehow makes the winner's bracket. He had to have Gator hit him and then Dart do bad. So
So it's like
fire.
the opposite of last year, where they all try to gang against him. Now Dart even is trying to help them.
Trying to help him.
Which is interesting because Dart was the one trying to take him down last year.
Yes. So Fire and Sheriff moving on to the winners. Winners 8 up here, and Dart and Gator onto the losers.
Just
8.
wow.
That's insane. That is absolutely insane. Okay, here we go. Final group before the winners and losers bracket. Tiger, Dragster, Zoomer, and Off-Road.
Those are just the type of things you can only get on this JNC channel. You would not see that anywhere else.
Here's Tiger up first. Nails the board. Still pretty good, though, for that.
It's odd. Besides Sheriff's first run, all the first runs have been about the same spot.
Dragster up next. Straight down the middle.
Oh!
Wow, that might be the best run yet today. These runs today haven't been as far as last year.
Yeah, Dragster actually won last year's this track last year, so he could be going for another win here. That could be 2 in a row for him.
Zoomer.
Oh, that's very poor.
Off-Road, final car in this group.
Off-Road's eliminated from everything, so he has nothing to play for except to ruin somebody else's chance.
And he doesn't. Tiger still by a head a little bit. So Tiger and Dragster, guys, Dragster's coming for you. Moving on to the winners. Look at that rust in there. That's crazy.
We could see Dragster push his way into that top 3 and maybe have a chance to win it.
Because remember,
next episode.
Aqua's in the losers bracket.
Yeah, he could pass Sheriff too.
He could.
He does really good today.
And then Zoomer and Off-Road into the losers 8. So we're going to get on to the winners and losers. All right, on to the losers 8 here. First up, we have Aqua. So the big question is, we have 2. Can Red Police claim the win today? And also, can Dragster pass Aqua?
Yep. So Red Police just has to be ahead by 25 or higher than 25 at the end of this episode. And then Aqua, he could be eliminated from that podium spot. I mean, the first place spot as well.
Yes.
It might be down to 3 after this.
It could be.
So
Here, Aqua goes. Straight down the middle towards the end, then he hits
the exact same run he did in his first round. And that we all know how that ended for him.
Yes. The track is going to get a lot more clustered this time because we do have 8 cars. Delivery.
Wow. He's been doing pretty good.
Yeah, it's funny. Every time I see a FedEx truck now, I think of delivery. It's actually funny how it happens.
That would be funny if one just drove by right now.
Yeah. All right, next up we have Hook.
Whoa. Oh.
Great run. There is a good chance Hook is eliminated from that first place spot after today.
Yeah, he definitely will be, as Dart and Hook were tied in that bottom spot, and they both did not make the winners.
Lift off. Straight down the middle.
Oh! He is still rolling, and he finally will come to... He's still rolling. I don't know how. There's like no slope here. I don't know how he's still rolling.
Especially on that sideways.
So there he goes. Finally stops. He is far ahead of delivery there.
You can tell when the cars go straight down in the center, they do better. So
I mean, yeah,
it does make sense.
You keep your speed up by going straight.
You do. Dart, last year's champion, nails the board. Actually,
He's on his side. Whoa.
That's hard for that skinny of a car to do.
I don't even know how he did that, but Dart will not be a repeat champion.
Gator. Started to roll backwards there for a bit. Finally, 2 cars. We got the Zoomer.
Oh, passes
Good on the
delivery.
driveway.
That will be a second place finish for him in this losers bracket.
So 10th, and then off-road.
Unless off-road has something to say about
He
it.
started like drifting.
Started off-roading himself, and that is
So Dart actually being
Yeah.
last.
So we'll get these guys all in line, and we'll see you guys at the winners bracket. All right, here we are. Liftoff gets 9th, and then Dart gets last.
That's insane.
Aqua and Hook in the back half, so they are eliminated
So
from the win.
yeah, actually 3 of the top 6 cars got into the losers. So
Yeah, we're really only down to 3 potential winners.
yes, it's really down to just Red Police, Sheriff, and Dragster.
And a Red Police podium finish should guarantee him a win.
Basically. Yes. All right. Here we go. Sharky, first car in the winners bracket.
Here we go. Sharky making the winners bracket 2 times
Straight
in a
down
row.
the middle.
He could hit a podium spot.
He could.
It's gonna be tough.
Vampire.
Oh, gets stuck.
Just gets lodged. We keep them there. So
We keep him there.
here he is, guys. Red Police trying to cement a
He's gonna be
win
moments away from being a champion.
in CAROLYMPICS. Straight down the center.
Oh!
That is pretty close to Dragster's run. That is definitely one of the best runs of the day.
So that could be it for this car
That could
Olympics.
be it, guys.
Wow. What a run by Red Police.
Electro.
Ooh. Pretty poor run.
Yeah.
Behind
For the winners.
Sharky.
Sheriff, can he shift something up here?
Needs something amazing.
No
Way!
the board.
That is not what you want.
And guys, we might have a secured win for
Unless
Red Police.
Dragster. Dragster's the one guy left standing, I think.
Fire. Nails the board.
Oh. So Sharky could get podium here. I think he will.
Good. Yes. Is he in 3rd or 2nd right now?
I think he's in 2nd.
Dragster. Oh. Oh. Wow. That if he landed on his tires, I think he would have rolled past Red Police, but he lands there. I think Sharky still is on that podium in 3rd.
So Red Police could win episode 9.
We have one last car, Tiger. What can he do here? And nails
And
it.
that's it. Red Police has won
Wow.
the 2024 Hot Wheels CAROLYMPICS.
What a time to be alive. Red Police takes the win.
So now it is time to see Kenny break the all-time points record. Let's see. All right, here we are. This is the final.
What an episode.
The final standings for episode 9. We have our podium here. Red Police getting first. Dragster making the podium once again. Sharky, his first podium appearance this CAROLYMPICS.
Yes.
And then here is your 4th, all the way down to your 16th. I think that Dragster might be able to pass Sheriff for that second place spot. It's going to be close.
Dragster has gotten 82 points in the last 4 episodes. He got 1st, 4th, 1st, and 2nd. That's insane.
That is insane. If he got off to a better start, he could have been our first place.
Red Police wins his 3rd episode of CAROLYMPICS this year.
He's gotten podium at least 5 times, I
Yes.
think.
So that also means, Caleb, you can tell him,
Red Police has broken your points record with an episode left. He has 149 points. We don't have the points added up yet.
Yes.
We'll show you. He has 149 points. The record previous held by Electro in 2019 was 141.
And we still have an episode left.
Still have an episode left, so he could extend that even further.
Past 150, which that's insane to think. 150 points. That's
averaging 15. That's averaging third place every episode.
Yes.
So that's
insane.
Extraterrestrial right there.
So
he is not real. He's an alien of these cards.
So here is your standings for this episode, and we're gonna see you guys in the basement for these standings. All right, so here we are at the points after episode 9. It's crazy. We only have one more episode already.
So we're just gonna start at the bottom. Huge change here. It's a little bit different seeing off-road
in 16th.
He's down by 9 to Sharky.
Sharky is in 15th now. Gator in 14th, Delivery in 13th, Fire in 12th. He started out decent, didn't he?
Yeah, he did. He started off in 3rd, I believe.
Now he's in 12th.
So actually, I got to mention something real quick. We did write in the podium line, and notice how it's not here anymore.
Yes.
Where did it go?
We'll see. Liftoff in 11th, Zoomer in 10th, Vampire in 9th, Electro up to 8th, Dart down to 7th. He got no points.
Where's that podium line, guys? I don't see it.
I don't see it either. Tiger up to 6th.
Oh, there it is.
There it is.
So only your top 5 have a chance of being in the podium.
Yes. So here we are. So Hook is in 5th with 81.
Tiger barely misses out on that, by the way.
Aqua is in 4th at 94. Dragster in 3rd with 106. He's 1 behind. Sheriff in 2nd at 107. Red Police is in 1st with 149 points. So Red Police has already won the 2024 CAROLYMPICS.
Just put it in perspective real quick. Red Police is winning right now by 42 points.
Yes.
42.
42.
That is insane. Like, off-road, if he had 42 more points, he would only be at 80.
And that would put him here.
And that would put him at 6. So this whole gap is between 1st and 2nd.
Yes.
And it's probably going to grow because Red Police is amazing.
Yes. So Sheriff, Dragster, Aqua, and Hook, they can still get on podium. Those are the 5. Hook, he would have to get first, Dragster get last, and then win the head-to-head race. But yes, there it is. So Dragster, 1 behind Sheriff. He wants that 2nd place spot.
Yeah. Actually, quick to mention, Sheriff is actually doing better this year than he was last year. You guys would be like, what? Sheriff was like leading like the whole time. How is he better? But I guess before this episode started, I probably should have mentioned before, but he was at 98 points before episode 9 last year, and he was at 97 points this year. The difference is he had to share all those points with this guy. Last year, he didn't have to.
Yeah.
So he's actually doing better because he can't get first as much because Red Police is there. So Sheriff is actually doing better than last year, but it's just not good enough to beat Red Police.
Yes.
Like, the big question is, what if Red Police was never lost?
It's the big question.
So that is your points after episode 9.
We'll see you guys in the final episode of the Summer 2024 CAROLYMPICS.